everyone, it's Brett from Duluth back here to talk to you today about our medium market tote. This looks a lot like our regular market tote, which is a Duluth pack staple, a super popular bag. This is for those of you who don't want to carry something that big. You don't want to have that much excess material. You might not carry that much stuff, or you might carry so much stuff that you fill up the market tote and it's too heavy. This is a great medium size. You can definitely fit a whole bunch of stuff in here, carry everything that you need around town with you, but it's also smaller, lighter, daintier. It's a little bit more squared off than our regular market tote, but I think that gives it its own unique design. It looks great when it's filled, but it also has these detachable and adjustable shoulder straps that are punched all the way through. They require a little bit of break-in time, so be patient, but they form fit to your body if you wear them enough. They look absolutely gorgeous, punched all the way through, and they're stylish with these gold buckles. It also has a hanging bag on the inside with a zipper, so you can store things separate from the main compartment. This gets rid of the need for a wallet. You can keep your credit cards, you can keep your cash, you can keep your phone, you can keep your wallet if you want to carry it with you in here. It's organized, you know where it is, and it's easy to get to. It also has snap closure, so you can keep the bag kind of in place. It's not going to fully open up, keeps it a little more structurally sound. As always, our products are proudly made in the USA, and they feature a lifetime guarantee on craftsmanship and hardware. So thanks for tuning in about our medium market tote. I can't wait to share something else with you next time.